Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Shiba Inu (SHIB) tokens from Binance to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just seeking a safer spot for your crypto, this step-by-step walkthrough will get you there quickly and securely. Let's jump right in. First off, before we start, make sure you have verified accounts on both Binance and Gemini. You'll also need some SHIB in your Binance wallet and the exact wallet address from Gemini handy. Crypto addresses are super sensitive, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Log into your Binance account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and click on Withdraw. This is your gateway to moving assets out. Step 2. In the Withdraw page, search for Shiba Inu (SHIB) from the list of available assets and select it. You'll see options for the network, like Ethereum. Stick with the one that matches your Gemini setup to prevent any transfer failures. Step 3. Enter your Gemini wallet address in the designated field. Paste it carefully and verify it matches exactly what's in your Gemini account. Then, input the amount of SHIB you want to withdraw, keeping an eye on any minimum limits or fees displayed. Step 4. Review all the details on the confirmation screen. This includes the amount, address, and estimated fees. If everything looks good, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. If prompted, it's a must for security. Step 5. Hit confirm to initiate the withdrawal. You'll get a transaction ID, so keep that safe. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic, but always monitor it closely. Once the transfer is complete, log into your Gemini account and check your SHIB balance to confirm it arrived. A pro tip. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the process and avoid potential losses from fees or errors. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw SHIB from Binance to Gemini in 2025. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.